Hey guys! Ever wondered how to keep your YouTube videos playing in the background, even when you're using other apps or when your screen is off? Well, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to do this on your Android phone using Google Chrome, and the best part is, you won't need the YouTube app. Let's dive in. First, grab your Android phone and open the Google Chrome app. Open your Chrome settings by tapping the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. Next, select Notifications. You need to make sure they're turned on. Also, make sure the three options under Notifications are on: Lock Screen, Badge, and Pop-up. After that, tap on Notification category. Here, make sure the Playing Media notification is also turned on. Now we're all set up in Chrome. Let's head over to YouTube. Go to youtube.com in the browser. Once you're on the site, tap on the three dots in the top right corner again and select Desktop Site. This will make YouTube look just like the one on your PC. After that, just search for the video you want to play and hit play. Now here's the cool part. Minimize the Chrome app by hitting the home button. You'll see the YouTube video playing in the notification bar. Just tap the play button to resume it. And there you go. The video keeps playing in the background. Even if your phone's screen turns off, your YouTube video will keep going. You can even switch apps and do other things while listening to your favorite videos. See? Super easy and no app needed. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.